In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the toner cartridge in a Samsung SCX4200 or similar model printer. Open up the front cover by pulling gently on both sides. Remove the toner cartridge by pulling gently on the handle. Prepare the new cartridge by removing all the covers and seals. Gently shake the toner cartridge back and forth several times. Press the new cartridge back into the printer, making sure that it clicks into place. Close the front cover and the printer is ready to use. For more information, please visit us at www.tonerparts.com.